So while researching the content for this video, I checked my Piggyvest account and I checked the flex dollar feature. It turns out that the first time I bought dollars on Piggyvest was in 2020, March 2020. And at the time, a dollar was 369 naira. And I'm just looking at this trail of investment over time, and later that year, this is July 2020, dollar was up to like 475 naira. um on and on. October 2020, it was 465. I think it came down in October, and then over time it just kept climbing and climbing and climbing, and I'm just looking at my account and I'm like, what? Like, I know when dollar was 369 naira. That's wild. Like, really, really wild. For those of you wondering where all the money is, I've spent all the money. I'm one of those people that actually started using Piggyvest at a very early period. I started using Piggyvest around 2018 or so. I found out about Piggyvest in 2016. I was still in school at the time, 2017 or 2018. I signed up, started investing with it, wrote a book about it, sold the book. It's still there on my blog. I've done a bunch of stuff on Piggyvest, a lot of really interesting stuff. But I wouldn't call myself a heavy investor, to be honest, because I don't put a lot of my money on Piggyvest. But again, I still was able to raise a lot of money through Piggyvest. I paid my rent at some point, and it was like millions, so and it was the money was on Piggyvest for a while. But this video is not about me. I'm not here to brag about how I've been using Piggyvest for a while and all of that. I wanted to talk about the recent development that I noticed with Piggyvest. There are a lot of people who have reached out to me. Well, not a lot, like 4 people that have reached out to me, and they tell me that they cannot buy dollars on Piggyvest. For those of you that don't know, Piggyvest is one of those platforms that has a feature that lets you save naira in dollars. Basically, you can convert your naira to dollars on Piggyvest. This feature is called the flex dollar. It lets you save your naira in dollars so that as the naira is depreciating, your dollar doesn't get affected, right? And it's been there for quite some time. Really, it's been there since like maybe 2019 or 2020. I started using it in 2020, and recently a couple of friends reached out to me and they said they could not buy dollars on Piggyvest, and I was surprised, right? So I had a friend who was just doing it at the time, and I told her to just select a lower amount, and she did, and it worked. So that option might work for you if you're trying to buy like $200 worth of dollars, and it's not working. Try buying like $50 or $100 and see if it works. Right, that might work for you. I also checked Twitter as well to see what people are saying, to see if Piggyvest knows about this issue, or if it's if it's something they've decided to do. Maybe they are regulating the dollars or just sharing it small for some of us. So I checked Twitter, and I saw a couple of people that were also complaining about the same thing, right? They tried to buy dollars, but it's not working. They said the dollar is not available or something like that. I'm going to show you guys a screenshot on screen about it. And then I started checking Twitter to see what people think. Where did all the dollars go? I mean, I thought we were doing ones and zeros here. It's not like you're going to convert your naira to dollars now and convert it back to naira tomorrow. If you do that, you'd be losing a lot of money. Please don't do that. So I just thought, we're not getting physical dollars, so it should be easy for people to buy dollars on Piggyvest. I wanted to find out what people are saying about it, to know, what they think the issue could be. Also, to know what Piggyvest is saying about it. So I'm just going to read a couple of tweets, and I'll tell you guys if I think it's true or not true. So this one is from Lilies on Mars. I'm guessing she's female. She said, what does Piggyvest mean by no dollar? Then somebody else responded and said, they have, I just bought now. And people were like, really? And then somebody said since January, and then Lily now said they are selling now. So it's looking like at some point Piggyvest stopped selling dollars, and now they're selling dollars again. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to give you a sense of, what people are experiencing, so that it will inform your decision about the platform, and also when to buy or if to buy dollars and all of that. Then Amaka's sister, handle is Sister Ogi, said the dollar rate on Piggyvest has not dropped, yeah. It's as strong as my love for you. Raise. Oh my god. Then another person said, I regret withdrawing my dollars from Piggyvest Flex Dollar 2 years ago. By now, I would be flourishing in hard times. Well, that's a good point, actually. Then someone else said, LMAO, no dollar at Piggyvest. And then Piggyvest was tagged, but they didn't say anything. Then another person said, does Piggyvest even have dollar to sell? I've been trying every day for almost a week now. Then someone else responded and said, I've told you to use RiseVest. And the other person said, I'm on it. I can't buy it yet because they are still verifying my ID. I actually have a problem with RiseVest for weeks now, right? Not even weeks, months, because I registered with RiseVest a couple of years back. I'm trying to log in lately and they are telling me they sent me an OTP code. I did not get any OTP code. Same number, same email. I'm not sure why. Can you receive dollar with Piggyvest, please? There was no answer for this person, but I'll try to respond to them. You can actually not receive dollars to your Piggyvest account because Piggyvest dollar section or the flex dollar feature on Piggyvest does not have a dollar account number. They don't give you a dollar account number to receive dollars in. You have to receive Naira, maybe fund your Piggyvest account with your card or transfer to your Naira wallet on Piggyvest called the Flex Naira. When you receive the Naira, then you can use that Naira to fund your dollar wallet. The dollar wallet itself does not have an account number, so you cannot receive dollars on Piggyvest. And then the same error again, no dollar available to fund at the moment, please try again later. This keeps coming up lately, and I've also noticed that it happens with a lot of iPhone users. Someone said it don't go, sha. So I think the person tried again and it worked for him. Then someone else responded there and said try again later. It does that sometimes. Another person said buy in bits. So instead of, basically what I said before, instead of buying, like if you have say 400,000 Naira and you want to buy like $200 worth of dollars, buy like maybe like $50 or $100 in parts and it should work. So buy in bits. That worked for my friend. Another person said Piggyvest no get dollar, okay? And then another person responded and said I just bought now. Another thing I noticed with this whole Piggyvest thing is I think that the app, I don't know why that happens, but the app updates a lot. So you have to constantly update the app to get the new features or get like the new updates and all of that. If you are trying to buy dollars on the app and it's not working, then maybe log in on the website on your computer and try it and see if it works. There are also some things you might want to do on the Piggyvest website that will not work. Say for example, you're trying to invest in a property, they'll tell you to install the app to be able to do that. So it's like the app and the website are functioning differently in a sense. So if the app doesn't work smoothly for you, maybe try the website. If the website doesn't work smoothly for you, maybe try the app. So yeah, still the same thing. Piggyvest does not even have dollars to sell. And that person said, I just wish I understood the Piggyvest Flex dollar long ago. You should have bought my book. Okay, but seriously, Piggyvest Flex dollar feature is actually not hard. You just need to spend time on the app and try to convert your money to dollars. It's not hard, really. So, I'm just seeing pretty much the same thing. People just pulling up rates, talking about how Piggyvest doesn't have dollars, but I think we've pretty much addressed what the issue could be. Piggyvest has not said anything about it. I've been scouring their page for like 1 hour now, just check in to see what they are saying about it. But yeah, they did not say that the dollar feature is restricted for anyone. They did not say you should even buy in bits. They did not say you should try the app or the website. They did not say anything. So I think that if you DM them to talk about the issue, they might tell you to update your app. This is a very wild theory, I know, but they'll most likely tell you to update your app. So, and if you're here and you work with Piggyvest, you should inform them. There are a lot of people on Twitter that are saying that they cannot buy dollars on your platform. So yeah, so that's it, guys. I make videos about investing, money, travel, tech as well. I've been reviewing software since 2014. You can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and of course please like this video and share it if you feel it's helpful, and I will see you around. Take care. Bye.